Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now by confirming your excess Mac software and permissions. You need an emulator app that mimics Dynamic Island. This is the core tool. Once the app is downloaded, enable notifications, Face ID or accessibility features the app requests, and allow location if prompted. Make sure storage and battery are adequate. Low storage can break installs. If sideloading, connect to your Mac or PC and follow the signing steps. This prevents app revocation later. You're primed to run the emulator immediately. Once done, open the emulator and grant its notification access. That's how it mirrors system alerts. Navigate to the visual settings and tweak size, corner radius, position, and animation speed so it aligns with your status bar. Make sure app shortcuts and tap behaviors are assigned. This is why some actions open apps directly. Run live tests. Trigger a call, start a timer, play music, and send a message to see how the island reacts. Adjust until interactions feel natural and reliable. Finish by ensuring the emulator launches after reboot. Use Auto Start or a Siri shortcut to restore it automatically. Optimize battery and background refresh permissions so the island stays active, otherwise notifications may not pass through. If visuals jitter or features fail, re-sign or reinstall the app, reset notification permissions, and clear its cache. This fixes most permission and signing issues. If notifications still fail, toggle Do Not Disturb and restart the phone. Often a simple reboot clears conflicts and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.